Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Sony's channel editor. To rearrange your channels, begin by selecting one, then dragging and dropping it. It will then appear in the order you have dropped it into. To move a group of channels at once, select one, hold Shift, and select another at the bottom of your group. Then drag and drop to change the order. To add channels to your selected group, hold Command and select another channel. This channel will then appear in the group and you can repeat the drag and drop method. You can rearrange your channels automatically, either numerically or alphabetically. Alphabetically arranges them in the order of the first number or letter, and ordering them numerically orders them in the order that you see on your TV screen. If you press HD channels first, it will automatically shift all the HD channels to the top of your list. To delete a channel, select it and then press delete on the left of the screen. The channel will then disappear. Click undo delete and the channel will then reappear back on your list. You can also group delete channels by following the grouping method and deleting them all at once. For easy access to a select few channels, you can add them to favourites. Select a channel and then click Edit Favourites. This will bring up a range of favourite groups you can add it to. Tick off as many of the groups as you want to and press OK. The channel will then appear in the list you have chosen. You can also add a group of channels to favourites following the same grouping method and selecting which list you want to add them to. The selected group will then appear in the favourites list you have chosen. To search the name of channels, use the box in the left-hand corner, and to search the number of channels, use the box with 4 dashes in it. The same rules apply to the satellite section of the tool and the radio list.